Good morning, students. You all are welcome in our English grammar classes, standard 7th. We have learned indefinite articles a and an. Today we are going to learn article the. The is definite article. So, first of all, we learn the article the with the examples of words. Which words are used article the before the words. Okay, article the is definite article. The is used at the beginning of the noun of a noun or a noun phrase to refer to a person, thing, event that has been mentioned once. We have used article the that refer to a person, thing or event that has been mentioned once. Let's see the example of it. Once upon a time there was a king. There was a king. The king was well known. You can see here a word king, and the king is already mentioned in first sentence. So in second sentence there is also a word king. So that thing or person or event has been mentioned in once. So in next sentence we have to use the article before the mentioned word. Here is the mentioned word is king. So in second sentence we have to use the article before the mentioned word. Second thing is the is used to refer things which are unique. That is the thing of which there is only one in the universe. Unique things or only one in the universe. Let's see the example. Unique things and one in the universe. The sky. Sky is only one in the universe. So we have to use the article before sky. The Narmada river. Narmada. Narmada river is also only one in the universe. So we have to use article the before Narmada. The moon. The Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is also a unique thing and also only one in the universe. So we have to use article the before the unique things and one in the universe things. Afterwards, the is referred to wall system. Means the is used before countable nouns when we wish to refer the wall system. Let's see the example of it. Who invented the computer? Now, here is the word the computer is referred to wall system, not only one computer. It's referred to wall system of computer. So, here is the example is who invented the computer. We also used the before animal kingdom, like zoologist study the animal kingdom. Zoologist studies the animal kingdom. Next one, nationalities. The is used before nationalities, like the British love, the Hindus, the American. So the article is used before nationalities. Afterwards, it is also used before the names of regions, island, ocean and newspaper. The is used with the name of region, island, oceans and newspaper. Let's see the examples. The Times of India, the Sandesh News, the Middle East, okay, the Pacific Ocean, like that. So, the is also used before the name of regions. Regions means Pradesh, island, oceans and newspapers. Afterwards, it's musical instruments. Musical instruments. So the is also be used before the names of musical instruments. Examples are the guitar, the flute, the dole. Okay, so the name of musical instruments also used article the before the name of musical instruments. Afterwards is superlative construction. Superlative construction is used mainly in degrees. Okay, so here is the example of superlative construction. The fastest animal. So est is construction of superlative degree. So fast is became fastest. Afterwards, the most expensive. So most, it's also example of superlative construction. So the fastest, the tallest, the most expensive. Okay, so I hope that article the is and article the's definition also cleared in your mind. So now you have to do exercise related to articles from your home, and the exercise also will be given for your homework. Thank you. We'll meet in next session with new grammatical point. Thank you. Take care. Bye.